Okay, so we're here in Springfield, Illinois, getting unloaded here at Prairie Insulation. And then from here, we're going to go down to the Roadies truck stop and meet up with another driver, and we're going to swap trailers. He's got a load going back to Grove City, Ohio. So I got to go grab that, and I think he's already there, but I got to grab that, haul ass back to Ohio, and deliver that at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then I get to go take another physical, because the last time I took one, it was just a temporary physical. So hopefully I can pass that and get a real physical, not another temporary, but I guess we'll find out. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, so another Heartland snafu. I delivered in Springfield, Illinois yesterday, and I was told to go down to the Roadies truck stop on the south end of town and meet up with the drivers, swap trailers out. I was going to take his loaded trailer and swap him out for my empty, and I would take this load here to Grove City, Ohio. But they sent me to the wrong truck stop. There's two Roadies, one on the east side and one on the south side. They had him going to the south side one, but he said when he got there the night before it was full and he had to go to the one on the east side. And he said he told them, he told the lovely, wonderful people on the on the after hours crew. He said he told them he couldn't park there, so he had to come to the other one. Well, of course, they didn't relay the information, and they let me go to the wrong Roadies. So, yeah, that's snafus here at Heartland are in no short supply for sure. But eventually, I figured out where he was and went up there and got this trailer from him. So, it only cost me about 15 minutes. But anyway, yeah, we're going to get unloaded here hopefully soon and get out of here and go take a physical. Okay, we made it to Grove City, Ohio. We had a 5 a.m. appointment here at Lennox. It's like a bunch of, I think, washers and dryers or something. That's what it looked like. But we'll get this off hopefully soon. And then I got a 10 a.m. appointment to go get my physical done this morning. So hopefully I can get done in time to go over there and do that. Hopefully I pass. I used to not think twice about getting a physical done. I just go in and do it. But the older you get, the more broke down you get, and parts and pieces go bad on you. And so now I go in to take a physical, and it's like, damn, am I gonna pass or not? So hopefully we'll pass, and we can keep on driving and keep on making videos. So I'll let you know how that goes. Alright, so just left the, what's it called? Well Now Urgent Care here in Columbus. And I got my DOT physical for 1 year. So, sweating bullets on that one, but I got it, so I'm good for a whole another year. Hooray! There's a sign up there by the street as you're coming in that says no semi-truck parking. Yeah, there's me. There's a Crete driver, and another Crete driver just left. So there's at least 3 of us in here today. Hey, it's the only transportation we got. We have no choice. I think I forgot to do a tour of the Columbus office, or not office, but driver's lounge. These are all showers. TV viewing room. I guess that goes outside. Yep. Eating area. All your vending machines. Ice. Coffee. And all the stuff we don't need. But we like. Parking area. There's the shop. There's my hoopty down there at the end. And there's the office over there. Trailer drop behind it, and then there's another trailer drop on the other side of the shop. Pretty much it. Here at the shop in Columbus because I got a tail light out. That one's on, that one's off. And I know what the problem is. It's a ground wire. So they don't have a new light. So I'm gonna see if they can just resolder that ground wire back on. And well, I don't have anything else to do today because that load, my next load doesn't pick up until tomorrow. Like after 4 o'clock, so I got the rest of the day and most of tomorrow to fart around and do nothing. So I may just take advantage of it. Okay, so we got load delivered this morning. I got my turn the radio down a little bit. So I got the load delivered this morning and came back to the yard, dumped the trailer off, went and got my physical done, got passed with, or I did pass with flying colors. And then we come back to the terminal afterwards. We got the light fixed on the back, finally got some new windshield wipers after they didn't replace them the last time I was here. So got new windshield wipers, and update on the dash cam. It's working. Apparently I was just using the wrong SD card, which I assumed was a possibility. I also assumed it could have been a firmware issue, but as it turns out, it was just the SD card I was using. It wasn't fast enough. And a viewer of mine, John, he sent me some info on how the cards work and the different speeds and what they're used for. So that was really helpful. And thank you, John, for that. I also sent emails to Rexing, and they were really quick to respond and gave me some useful information, and basically just told me, yeah, you're using the wrong card, you got to use the right card. And they gave me a list of 3 different cards to use. And so well, it was a SanDisk was one, which, you know, I always use SanDisk cards. That's my go-to card. And then they also had a couple of Kingston branded cards, but I went with the SanDisk, and I've had it in the camera now for over a week. It's working flawless. It's a 256 gigabyte SanDisk Endurance, I think it's called. But it's working fine, and it pretty much runs 24/7. The only time it doesn't run is when I take the card out to download the videos. But no issues at all. Good camera. Happy with it. She's working. No freeze ups. No. I got my window thing here. No freeze ups. No messages telling me I'm using the wrong card or the card doesn't work. So everything's good. Yeah, I got this form-fitted window shade thing here, sun deflector, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's Friday. It's almost 6:30. My next load doesn't pick up until after 4 o'clock tomorrow, and then that will deliver Monday. And I can deliver anytime Monday. I'll probably get there first thing in the morning. So it'll be a pretty much lazy weekend. Oh, and that load only goes to Virginia. It's only about 400 and some miles. I forget the name. Actually, I can look it up here. Gordonsville, Virginia is where it's going. I think it's over off 64 somewhere, so not too far away. But anyway, I'll go ahead and end this video here. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.